Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on symmetric matrices. It says how many entries can be chosen independently in symmetric matrix of order n . Option B. Second part is skew-symmetric matrix of order n with, or I'll say given diagonal elements equal to 0. First thing is, for let's say there is a matrix n cross n, the number of elements let's say total number of elements will be n cross n, and let's see this, we'll categorize it for both symmetric and skew symmetric. Let's try to understand it for a 3 cross 3 matrix. If it is skew symmetric, whatever elements are above the diagonals, these are the diagonal elements, and of course it has to be chosen independently. The diagonal element is like, these are the diagonal elements a11, a22, a33, and it has to be like any value because it is not going to be compared with any other value, so it has to be chosen independently. So for this n cross n, the number of diagonal elements we have is n, right? 1, 2 and 3. Other than that, whatever element let's say is here will be here, whatever element is here will be here, whatever element is here is going to be here. So we can see that overall either we'll go above the diagonal elements or below the diagonal elements. So overall we have to choose only one of this part. So overall we have n cross n elements, number of diagonal elements equal to n, number of off diagonal elements this is going to be n cross n minus n, and we have to choose only half of it, right? So in that case we can say, for the case of symmetric matrix, total number of elements we have to choose independently will be number of diagonal elements, which is n, and the half of off diagonal elements. So this is n cross n minus n by 2, which is going to be n cross n plus n by 2, or you can say n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is going to be the answer. Coming back, when it is skew-symmetric, the diagonal elements have to be 0, right? Let's write Z, 0. And it is also given in the question that given diagonal elements are 0. That means we don't have to choose for diagonal elements. So we don't have to choose for these n elements because it is going to be 0. So what is the leftover terms? It is n cross n minus n, that is the off diagonal elements. And when we are talking about skew symmetric, if one is 0, O, the next one is minus O. When one is x, the next one is minus x. When one is plus, the next one is going to be minus plus, right? That means we have to choose only one half of the off diagonal elements, and we don't have to choose diagonal elements in this case. So in this case it is going to be, for skew symmetric, the numbers is going to be n into n minus n by 2, right? This is the total number of elements, diagonal elements. So this will give the off diagonal elements and divided by 2 because we have to choose only one half of it. So this is n into n minus 1 by 2. That's it.